Hi everyone, welcome to our group project. My name is How I Keep Fan. So here's my group members and our group name Fresh. So Suha, Timothy, Ida, Tatiana, and Hossein. Thank you Hossein to finish this PowerPoint. Cause we are still busy on developing the project, so we haven't updated the stuff yet. But I think some just like we will do it later because we haven't submitted today. And then so the main tools of what we are using for agile and just like distribute our work is just like only using GitHub right now. I think someone's using Jira, but we don't have enough time yet, so we're just using GitHub for this week. I hope we can use it for just like Jira for the coming week. And what we have right now is the structure of the COMP229 and different branch, how it's set up like. So our work is like separate different tasks and then do it by branch. If you finish that branch, like a feature, then refer it by different group members, or just like if it's just like good to go or just like well developed, then push it back to me. So in that way, I think we can just like prevent of like the errors or conflicts between git push, git merge, something like that. So for the first week right now, we have the PowerPoint. I think it's almost done. It's just like in progress because like we haven't finished. And then the Git repository we set up, probably just like we mentioned it by date. So I think Jira, either finished as well. So Timothy, so right here, Timothy and Tatiana, they are just because like they are the backend developer, so they work on the database and the server. They build a public database for us right now, so probably we have all the data right here. Without this data, I cannot get it, and then I cannot fetch it back to the front end as well. So, and then see whether we will have a test database later, just like because like we have only one for testing. Maybe we should have a backup. So right here is our front end that what we have. So probably we make an authentication already, and then here is just like CLUD. When you added it, you can say like a formal fill. A file summon. Fill it and then publish and update it. And then probably we can see it right in the database. So I think CLUD probably we have a file summon right now, and then true publish, and then so let's say we create something, we put an app in the admin panel. So this time it's an apple, and then it's with apple, and then maybe made in calendar, and then $2, and then publish false, and then category first submitted. Yes, product was submitted. And then when we have a look for the apple, we can just search it right here. An apple, I've been selling apple, and then pineapple apple. So this stuff are just like what we are testing right now. And then what we have is like, I think probably what we have, and then log out. So when we are not using admin, so we cannot do the CLUD as well. So I think probably what we have this week. And then for the front end and design, I think someone will show the wireframe in the document, but I can show you some in, because I don't have the full document. And then where's the document? Is it? I mean, it should be in WhatsApp, so I have to get back to WhatsApp. And then I can show you some code first, because it's waiting. So at first we are deciding to put our buttons in the left bar, but right now it's just like if we put it in the left bar, it rather is going to have a URL to go to that address, is it? So we have to make an API for that. But in that case, we have a trouble with the server right now. So the problem is that if we make a category, just like get element by category maybe, and then so I try that, and right here the routes and then product. So either put it in right here or after the ID. The problem is that if I put it right here, so the ID will be hidden, and then the CLUD is like, I knew the CLUD is still working, but it's just hidden. But if we put it like right here, then it won't show the whole product list. I don't know why so far, so I think we will figure out for the coming week this part. So as long as we cannot finish, figure out how we deal with the server part. So in alternative way, we make a service. We'll make a service, a filter service. So when we get a full list, I have to get into WhatsApp again. When we get into the full list, so properly we will have it right here, a console. Yeah, we have 31. So the idea is to filter those stuff that match to meat and seafood. So and then kind of like beverage where so we don't have a diary, something like it. Yeah, and then that is my solution right now. So maybe we may change the flow later. So actually, yeah, just like either trying to work out the design and then but basically we are following Shuha's work. I think she is working on the wireframe, and then she wants to put the button, like the categories button on the left bar, and also the search bar on the left bar. But so far when I'm working on the flow, so I'm not sure we can do it right now, but I think we can figure out whether just changing the design flow or just like changing the backend, see whether we have a URL for that or API for that. I think properly, yeah. And when we say like the agile, because like we keep just like discussing in the WhatsApp group and also in team as well. So far we are just like working good, yeah. And then that's it. I think everything we mentioned for this week. So hope it's clear to explain our project. Thank you very much.